In the last video, I showed how to make Hello Kitty coaster. Today I will show you how to make my melody. We will need printed pattern. Link for pattern in the description under the video. Prepared hoop with fabric. The fabric should be stretched very tightly. I use raw fabric. Punch, needle and needle threader. Pencil and magnets. Scissors. Felt for backing. Yarn. Glue gun. Cut out the pattern. Use reverse version. Put the pattern under the fabric and place one magnet under the pattern and one magnet onto the fabric. Redraw pattern onto the fabric. Remove the pattern. Insert the needle threader into the eye of the needle from the outside, and then into the body of the needle. Pull it through the entire length of the needle. The threader should come out of the center hole on the back of the needle. Pass the tip of the black yarn through the loop of the needle threader. Gently pull the needle, threader, and yarn through the needle. Start embroidering. I will use black colored gesser for outline of the hat. The needle enters the fabric vertically. The needle always points in the direction of movement. Make small stitches. The length of the stitch should be approximately equal to the thickness of the yarn. Insert the needle into the fabric until it stops. Do not raise the needle high above the fabric. When you come to the end of the line, hold the last stitch with your finger and pull the needle out. Cut the yarn. Embroider the mouth in one row. Embroider the eyes. First the outline, then fill it inside. Make the rows close to each other. We embroider the bunny's face with white yarn. We start with the outline, then fill in inside. Don't forget to leave empty place for the nose. We also embroider the flower petals in white, leaving the core unfilled. Fill the nose and center of the flower with yellow. Fill the hat with pink. Now you need to untangle all the crossed loops so that the work looks neat and clear. To do this, remove the work from the hoop and, using a needle, unravel the loops. If you have elongated loops, simply trim them. Now it looks much better. Trim the excess fabric, leaving a border of about 1 centimeter. Make cuts in the fabric around the entire perimeter. Pay special attention to corners and curves. Use a glue gun to glue the edges of the fabric inside the embroidery. Be careful, glue is very hot. Apply glue to the back of your embroidery and glue to the felt. Trim the excess felt along the contour of the part. Glue the edges of the felt around the entire perimeter so that the fabric is not visible. You're super cute. My melody coaster is ready. In the next video, we will make Cinnamoroll coaster. Thank you for watching.